welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Kitty Rodriguez, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a makeup tutorial on this look that you see here. Recently on Instagram I did a poll asking you guys if you wanted me to do a makeup tutorial using some of the Winky Lux products that they sent to me, and you guys said yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Keep in mind this video is not sponsored. They came across one of my review videos that I did about a month ago, and they wanted to send me some products, so I said sure, why not? And they sent it to me, so I figured why not, let's make a makeup tutorial out of the products that they sent me. They sent me so many goodies, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and let's jump on in and get ready. I'm going to start off by using Winky Lux. This is a lip sleeping mask, and you guys, this has the most delicious French vanilla scent ever. It smells so good. It reminds me of fall, and I'm just going to apply a little bit in the back of my nail on my lip and just moisturize my lips, just because, you know, we want to prep our lips so once we get to the lipstick or lip gloss or lip liner, everything really glides on effortlessly, and you girl, we don't want any dry lips here, okay? After we applied a little bit of lip balm, you guys, I'm going to move on to drawing in my brows, and I'm going to be using Winky Lux Uni Brow. This is a universal brow pencil, you guys. I've never tried a universal brow pencil. This is really interesting to me, and I'm really excited to try it out. On one end, it has obviously the little pencil part. This reminds me of the Anastasia Brow Wiz, just because it's thick, so I'm really familiar with that, so I feel like it's going to be really easy for me to draw in my brows. And then the other end, it comes with a spoolie, so you guys, I'm going to go ahead and jump on in and draw in my brows. Let me just tell you, that brow pencil was really nice, you guys. I liked it. I'm going to go ahead and move on to bronzer. So just because I don't have all of their products for, you know, just using one brand, I do have the Winky Lux S'mores palette that I used when I did a review video, and I'm going to go ahead and use this again. I really love the contour shade in the S'mores palette, and I love the highlighters. So girl, we're going to be dipping and doing it in both, okay? For this palette, I'm going to go in, I'm going to try to use my BH Cosmetics brush. I personally like to use this brush to contour, so I'm going to go ahead and move my mirror just a little bit so it can be, you know, still in frame, but not that close, girl, either. So I'm going to go ahead and contour. If you guys have followed me, I personally like to contour down the side of the cheekbone, down the side of the forehead and jawline area, and then bring anything else that I have left on my brush down the neck area, just to make sure everything is really, you know, blended and seamless. So I'm going to go into the chocolate bronzer. I'm assuming it's a bronzer, but you know, we're going to use it to contour, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply it on. Winky Lux S'mores palette, and it just, even though it looks so dark, it just works so well, and it blends really nicely. So I personally really love it. I'm so happy that I still have it and was able to find it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and move on to my eyes, and we're going to be using the Winky Lux Coffee Kitten palette. I absolutely love this palette, you guys. There's little kitties all around the packaging of it, and it's so cute. I just love it. When I first thought, I was like, oh, kitty, they gave me like a kitty palette, how cute. And so this is what I love about their packaging. Like, even though it's a little bit expensive, you know, the quality is definitely there and you see it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the palette. As you can tell, I have not used it, so, you know, we're doing first impressions together, as I mentioned to you guys before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab a big fluffy brush, and we're just going to apply shadow all around the lid. I'm going to go in using Affogato right over here. It is this prettiest, like, tan color. I really like it. I don't think I have a eyeshadow shade that looks like this one, so when I saw it, I was like, it looks really pretty. We're going to have to go ahead and apply that around the base. So I'm going to that shadow, tap any excess as always, and then we're just going to go ahead and apply it in the corner of the eye, and then press it onto the lid. Next, I'm going to go in and pick up Cappuccino. Yeah, Cappuccino. That's what it's called. I'm so sorry. I thought the A was U, but it's not. It's an A. So, cappuccino. And I'm going to use a blending brush. It's just like this one. This one's from Morphe. I personally have had these brushes for a really long time and I really love it. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit of product, tap any excess, and then we're just going to apply it as our transition shade within the crease of the lid. And we're just going to do windshield wiper motions, okay? You're just going to wash those windows, girl. Wash them a few times and blend. Moving on, after we applied cappuccino, we're going to move on to applying a little bit of Americano. This is the chocolate brown in the palette. I'm going to be using my Japanese brush. This is a 712 brush. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of product, not too much. And we're just going to go ahead and lightly smoke out the corner of the eye and do like V motions. And just go ahead and pack on color lightly as you go until you feel comfortable, just because you don't want to pick up too much color and then overdo it, and then it's hard to remove the shadow, you know what I mean? So just apply a little bit of color and just build as you go. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and slightly smoke out the bottom lash. You guys are probably not even surprised, right? You guys are like, what's new, Kitty? You always smoke out the bottom lash. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a little bit of cappuccino and then smoke out the corner of the eye slightly and connect it to the other shadow that we just, applied earlier. And I'm going to go ahead and just smoke out the bottom lash, blend and build. And now we're going to pick up a little bit of Americano and do the same thing. We're just going to go ahead and smoke out the bottom lash slightly, just a little corner, and connect it with the rest of the eyeshadow that we were applying in the corner of the eye. And then I'm going to go back with my Japanese brush and I'm going to go ahead and blend them together. So for a liner, I used my angled brush, picked up a little bit of Americano and applied it on. So I hope you guys like it. Next, we're going to go ahead and jump on in with a small detail brush. What I'm going to do is pick up a little bit of Affogato and carve out the lid slightly and the corner of the eye just to really make that pop. I've done that. We're going to pick up a little bit of this cold brew, this beautiful blue, and I want to apply it in the lid. So we'll see. Hopefully it's not too dark. Let me go ahead and swatch it really quickly just to see what I'm getting myself into. And it actually has a blue it actually has like a gray undertone to it. So kind of gray blue undertone, so I'm not really sure. I kind of want to apply it in the lid just to really brighten it up. I have decided, you guys, I'm going to go in using a light and sweet. I don't want to ruin this light eye look. It's really pretty, okay, and I have good things to do. So I'm going to go back using the same detailed brush that I was using before and pick up a light and sweep, and this is really pretty shimmery color right over here. And we're just going to go ahead and apply it in the corner of the eye, just like that, just to really brighten. And what I like to do is I like to apply it in the corner of the eye and then lift it slightly, not too much because you want it to be like a really light kind of lift, and it just makes a prettier effect to the eye. And a little bit on the lid. Every time that I've applied eyeshadow on the lid, I like to go back with a clean brush and then just blend out those edges slightly, just so it can blend really nicely together and not look so obvious that I've, applied it on my lid. You can always use your finger if you really want to intensify the look and make it, a little bit brighter and a little bit more glowy. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit on there, just to intensify, the beam. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes with my Shiseido eyelash curler, and I'm going to go in using Winky Lux So Extra Velvet Plush Mascara. And so far I really love the packaging. It's really cute. Love the little eyes all around it. Love the color purple of it as well. And the wand seems so different than what I'm used to, but I'm really excited to try this one out. I feel like this would be perfect for the bottom lashes, to be honest. So let me show you the wand. It's really nice. So you guys, let's go ahead and curl the lashes and apply mascara. Let me tell you about this mascara, girl. It is good, okay? I really like it. My bottom lashes have never looked this good in my entire life. I mean, my lashes look good, period, but my bottom lashes, wow, this is a really good mascara. I didn't use a lot of coats of mascara to make them look so full and voluminous. So Winky Lux, I've been sleeping on this mascara apparently. This is really good. I really like it. And yeah, it definitely made my lashes look really pretty. So I really love it so far. So love it. It's really good. As for the next item, you guys, I do not have a blush from Winky Lux at hand. So I'm going to go in using one of my own blushes that I have here. And I'm going to use the Almay Healthy Hue blush. And this is in 400 Wild Berry. I'm going to go in using one of my blush brushes and apply a little bit of, you know, blush on my face. So I'm going to be using my Beach Cosmetics angled brush, pick up a little bit of Wild Berry, and then just apply it on the top of my cheekbones. Once I've finished applying blush on the apples of my cheeks, I'm going to move on to lipstick. And you guys, the lipstick that they sent me, and this is called the Demi Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Ready for It, Meow. When I read the name of it, you guys, I thought it was so cute. I started laughing, and I feel like I'm going to love this shade. If I don't want to be so upset with myself, just because my name is Kitty, and how am I not going to like Meow? You know what I mean? I think it's cute. So the lipstick, unfortunately, that I received in the mail is kind of like broken, but you know what? We're going to work through it, you girl, okay? I put it in the freezer. I'm hoping it sticks down into it, but I think it's a really pretty shade. Let me go ahead and swatch it on the back of my hand. It's very, very pigmented, very rich, and I really like it. I think it's going to look so pretty on. Here is the lip shade. So you guys, let's go ahead and try on Meow. Finished applying Meow, and I hope you guys like the lip shade. I absolutely really like it, you guys. It is the perfect everyday lip color. It looks like my natural lips, but you know, a little better. And I really love how it worked really well with the blush that I picked, so I did a good job, or at least I feel that I did. And I really love the eyeshadow. The palette is really, really nice. I love that I did like a little cat eye and kind of pulled the color to the corner of the eye slightly, just to elongate the eye and just give it a little mood. And even though, you know, we did a very natural, neutral eye color for today, I feel like this is a perfect palette to, you know, use. I really love all the shades. They blended really well. There's a little bit of fallout, but that is something that is totally worth it as long as they're pigmented and they blend really nicely. And I feel like this is a perfect everyday eyeshadow palette for you to use, because you even have Espresso, a darker black color, or at least it looks like a dark black, that you can use if you wanted to kind of do a night look and really smoke out the corner of the eye and kind of, you know, get ready for a date night. And I really love all the shades. I really love Cold Brew. Even though it looks blue, it's more of a silver in person for some reason. So that's the only reason I didn't use it. I didn't want to, you know, risk the cute look for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. As always, everything will be linked down below. If you guys have any video suggestions on any looks you'd love to see, please comment down below. Let me know and I'll create the video for you guys. And as always, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos just like this one in Winky Lux. Thank you so much for thinking of me and sending me this package. I will see you guys all in my next video. I love you guys so much.